I'll get you back. Okay. Yeah.
Come on, you gotta move.
Today's flashback story takes place 5/21/2013. It was a rather large dump truck fire that took place on Montgomery Drive in Plymouth, Massachusetts. Well, at least there was a fire hydrant handy in case Plymouth Fire needed it. For those of you familiar with Plymouth, Montgomery Drive runs between the old 44 and South Meadow Road. It was a nice warm morning, and I had just hopped onto my motorcycle to take a little ride around the block. When I came out of my driveway, I saw black smoke rising fast in the horizon. It's the kind of thing as a news photographer that you notice. So I chased down the smoke and came across the burning dump truck. Plymouth police were already on scene. They had blocked off Montgomery Drive, which is where the dump truck fire was. So anyhow, I quickly parked my motorcycle out of the way and started taking video. The dump truck was fully involved, and fluids from the truck had leaked onto the road, and the road underneath the truck was also on fire. Moments later, Plymouth Fire showed up and jumped into action. It probably took them 3, maybe 4 minutes to get the fire under control. The driver of the truck was nowhere to be found, and so I kind of figured probably a stolen truck. Well, anyhow, just another day for Plymouth Police and Plymouth Fire. To see the actual video of this fire, click on the link below, and that'll take you right to it. If you like these videos, I'd appreciate it if you clicked on that little old thumbs up like button, and you might also want to subscribe. That way you'll be updated when new videos are put up. Well, anyhow, keep the rubber side down, stay safe out there, folks. Remember, there's danger everywhere. And also, remember, I'll be back.